Hey there, lovelies, welcome back. This is part 2 of making a mask. If you haven't seen part 1, I got you. Click the link here or check the description box below. Please leave me a comment on how the video is going. Give me a thumbs up. Also you can let me know what DIYs you would like to see. Give me a challenge. But let's get into the mask. So we had stopped at securing pieces of fabric together with pins. Now we will sew them together with the machine, or you can use hand stitch. Now we will sew them together and attach an elastic band, or if you prefer a ribbon, that's perfectly fine. I had to measure around my ears. Yes, I had to use an old-fashioned method. To see the length, I would want to make sure that it's snug on my face. I don't like when my mask is falling off my face, so I needed it to be snug. I know that online research, the length is around 7 inches, and then you would take off an inch. But for me, I just went with 6 inches overall. So it would be basically like almost 5 inches when I take off an inch just to sew it. But for my brother and my father, yeah, they did well with the 7 inches. So it's your preference how long you want your elastic band to be. So when sewing, you can start from the elastic and go around the fabric, inserting the elastic as you go to either end of the mask. Or you can pin the elastic in and then sew. Just ensure that your elastic is about an inch into the fabric so it doesn't unravel when used. Make sure that you remember the hole so you can flip the mask inside out to reveal the finished product. If you have an issue where you may have to edit something or fix something, you keep the presser foot down, you keep your needle in the fabric, then you lift your presser foot up. And this is the finished result. It was so comfortable. I still have it up to today. This video is almost a year old. I was supposed to put it out last year, but situations, circumstances beyond my control, I did not put it out. It was really comfortable. If you have any questions on how to really make it more simplified, that will also be fine with me. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It would be great if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join my creative world, my creative family, and as always, bless.